Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making chicken pahadi kebab. So this is a green kebab full of iron. So for this, in a bowl take a medium bunch of mint leaf, approximately same quantity of coriander leaf, quarter inches of ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili. If you want hot, add more green chili, 3 teaspoons of curd and half a lime juice. Grind the all ingredient into a fine paste and marinate 200 grams of chicken in the same paste for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours of marination, take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, spread oil all over the pan, add quarter inches of cinnamon, 1 small cardamom. Now put gas on high flame and add marinated chicken. On a high flame, stirring continuously, cook this chicken for at least 4 minutes. And after 4 minutes of cooking, your chicken pahadi kebab is ready to eat.